Create word bars out of text from any document or website within Docs Plus. To create a new word bar, click the Word Bar ribbon tab. Click the file icon and select New Word Bar. Click Fast Add and select Alphabetical Grids for an A-Z word bank. You can type in or paste in content here. Exclude the 100 most common English words if using a piece of text and to keep your word bar topic specific. Once your content is in the dialog box, click Create Grids. You can edit your grids on this side and edit individual grids here. Click the Document ribbon tab to use your new resource.